2494 21st. I'll start right here. So pavers, Canyon Creek, Hollandstone. Just do running bond, and then you don't have to use mini cuts. And 18 inches wide, and they're 4-inch pavers. So to get to 18 inches, you can't really get to 18 inches. You can go 4, 4, and 4 makes 12, and then you can get to 20 inches. So I guess you're gonna have to do 20 inches. Yeah, 20 inches. So 20 inches driveway extension. If you want to dig it out with the bucket and then like fill it back in and sod it, you can do that because there's sod in the backyard. If not, you got to hand dig this whole thing, which would suck because it's like 90 square feet, which is going to be a little bit more because of how wide it, if you go 20 inches wide. So just 20 inches is 6 pavers wide. Well, let's just go 5 pavers wide because they wanted it even almost like a foot. So we'll go 5 pavers wide. That makes 12 plus 4, 16 inches. Okay, 16 inches wide over there. That's what we're doing, just so you know. Okay, and then here, we're building a walkway to the hot tub, and it's going to be, that back there was Canyon Creek Hollandstone. This right here is going to be them big suckers, and it's going to be 3 feet wide. And it's going to be running bond across like this, and then it's going to have a white stripe of Plymouth on the side. So you might have to run them this way in a running bond because of how big the pavers are. Because if you run them this way, I'm not sure how many you'll get in, and it might not look that good, but it might look okay. Because you're going to be losing 8 inches because of the Hollandstone, and at 3 feet minus 8 inches is like 2 feet and 4 inches. So one of them big giant blocks, I don't think it's quite 2 feet. So you get like a giant block and then like some other blocks in there because they got the little block and then the square. So it's hard to say. I'm just gonna order you some pavers and you figure out what kind of pattern to put them in. But I think it looks better with the sailor course and then like stripes going this way. Because if you go stripes with the walkway, I just think that looks too many vertical lines. But that might be the better way to do it. Back here, they have these sandstone stepping stones, and they want you to just grade through here and set them to get to the AC. And I told them we don't put them in base material, we just set them down into the ground, and that they just have to compress into the ground, and that's how they end up getting into the ground. And then starting somewhere right here, make a natural edge around the tree, cut out all the sod that's around it, and sod it, grade it and sod it. And then they want us to throw away the excess concrete, which is going to be this here. I mean, these are staying in, but we're throwing away the concrete there, this concrete here, and that concrete there. And that's it.